Just a little mini vlog of gonna clean the filter of my RT. The cold air intake filter. I'm gonna clean it out. It's dirty, so come with me for a little vlog. Just gonna clean it and put it back on. But as y'all can see, it is raining where I'm at. There's my other truck. It is raining, so gotta do this shit quickly. Gotta take it off and put bags over the tube, so it doesn't get any water in the engine bay and all that shit. But I'm gonna take it off real quick and I'm gonna just clean it. Basically, I got some cleaning, got some like kit to clean them and shit, so that's what I'm gonna do. I gotta buy the cover for it though, for sure. So but there she is, as y'all can tell. That dang is dirty. That shit is dirty. There you guys go. Let's go ahead and take the shit off real quick. I probably could have done this a better day when it's not raining, but it is what it is. Just go ahead and do this shit real quick. Take it off, go clean it, let it dry, and put it back on. Maybe tomorrow. Take this clamp off. Oh shit, there it is. Damn, that fell. It is what it is. Pop it out. Give me a sec. Got it out. Now I clean it, because as y'all can see, this shit is dirty. God damn. Like I said, there's that. I'm gonna just put that back like that for now. Now I'm gonna go inside because it's cold. Shit, let me get the little screw. Anyways, that bag is just to prevent water from getting inside or whatever. But now that it's in, we'll go back inside. Gonna take this. Gonna close the hood. And we're gonna go clean the filter. There she is, the Black Stallion. Alright, y'all, it's currently the next day. Yesterday I was able to clean the filter, spray that thingy, then I washed it out, you know, whatever. I took it to work today to blow it out with an air gun. I blew it out, cleaned it out, and I put the freaking little oil on there, so it's installed now. Boom. It looks way better than what it did yesterday. Yesterday was like dusted with pollen and just a bunch of shit, but now it's clean and it should be ready to go. But yeah, guys, just a little mini vlog for today. See you guys on the next one.